Are you ready for your dance lesson?
Yes, I'm all set.
Okay,
I've been practicing at home.
Let's start.
With my stuffed animals.
Okay. Go backwards. Okay, and then forwards.
Okay.
Okay.
Backwards.
Okay.
Forward.
Sideways. Okay. Mm-hmm.
And that and
Ow! Oh my goodness.
Stuffed animals don't do that. You okay? I'm sorry.
You step on me real hard. That hurts.
You okay?
Okay. I have a low tolerance for pain, so can you be a little bit more gentle next time?
Okay.
Be careful, please.
Alright, I just got
Please.
I'm ready. Okay. Let's go. When you're ready.
Okay. Backwards. Forwards. Sideways.
Okay.
Okay. Go on. Ow!
Oh, again? That was... Whoa. That looked like it might have bothered you a bit. You okay?
Yes, it did bother me.
Oh! I guess it's over, huh?
Damn right it is.